Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we talk everything about business, lifestyle and everything in between. For those who are new here, my name is Anne, and in today's episode we are going to talk about how to identify profitable problems for your community. In my last video I talked about if you want to start a sustainable business, you have to start with a problem. And most businesses fail not because the owners are not smart, but because they are solving the wrong problem. So here's a video that will show you how to identify a problem which is not just annoying, but which is urgent. So if you want to build a profitable business, you don't start by saying, oh, which business should I do? You should always start by asking yourself, which problem should I solve? So let's dive into it. First, you observe the daily complaints. Listen carefully. What do people complain often about? Is the transport expensive? Is the small businesses struggling to find customers? Are students struggling to access materials? Like the complaints you always hear around you are the clue. And then you will need to look at where people are already spending the money. The solutions which are already available for the problem, are they efficient or inefficient for people? Are people willing to pay for the solution even though the solution is not that good? Then if people are willing to pay for the solution even though the solution is bad, that means you found something real. Analyze the available solution or identify the inefficiency. Where is time being wasted? Where is resources being wasted? Where are the middlemen making it expensive and necessary? Inefficiency is always an opportunity. You are trying to analyze the available solutions and see the gaps in which you can fill. Some problems are just annoying, and for others, they are urgent. Profitable problems are usually urgent. If you found out that you delaying the solution will cause losses, being money, time, or opportunity, that means that that problem is really needs to be solved. You also need to validate before building. Before you register a company, before you make logos and everything, you also need to validate to see if people will really pay for that solution. Talk to few potential customers, like people you feel they will be your potential customers. Talk to them, ask them how they are currently solving the problem, how much does it cost them, and what frustrates them most in the current solutions. And the truth is that not every problem is profitable. And here are the 3 things that will help you to really be sure that the problem you're going to solve is profitable. First of all, it needs to be very specific and it affects enough people. And also, people are willing to pay to fix it. And I've learned that most successful businesses didn't start with just ideas. It started with observation, analyzing and making your environment or your community, the market research, and trying to solve something which is really real to people. If this video helps you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and please, I need to hear from you, your ideas, your thoughts, your suggestions, everything you feel like we need to talk about, or something you feel like you should add on this video, because we are learning together. Yeah, I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.